Okay, we got a '07 Lexus RX330. That's why it has a 3.3, I'm guessing. This car been sitting for a while. Swapped out a new battery. And over here, and I have a video of it, it's cracked. You can kind of see it in there. I have a video of it running and burning my finger. I'll add that here. So '07 3.3. This is the radiator number. We'll be throwing on some gates hoses. This is your upper, that's your lower, and we got some antifreeze. So we'll start taking off the top and then see how it's mounted. You'll have a couple cooler lines for the transmission. We'll take the fans off and the reservoir, and we'll go from there. Yeah, that one's cracked. All right, so there was the 4 plastic rivets, and now it's going to be these 10 millimeters to get this plastic out of the way, and then we'll see what's next. So I took the 10 millimeters off on the two top ones. I loosened the bottom hose there to get some fluid out, disconnected the power to the fans, and I was going to pull the fan assembly off, but it looks like it's bolted down underneath here. You see the bolt here. So I was trying to do it with an open end, but then I'm pretty sure this whole piece has to come off. So I'm ripping off the 210s here, and probably have to move this assembly off and then get these other 210s so that I can get to the bolts underneath the radiator. All right, so I took these bolts off. This is loose. I had to fight this one off. You had to use a 16 millimeter on that square piece. And then the thing is 10, but you have to get this cover off next. And it is screwed to the right here. Let's see if I can get this thing to focus. Right there, and on the other side. So move those Phillips. I should be able to move this cap and then disconnect the tranny coolers, and then hopefully the whole assembly comes up. All right, so of course it escalated to taking this panel off the bottom. There's a couple push pins, a bunch of 10 millimeters all the way around. I got the 210s off the fan assemblies. I don't see how the bottom's attached. Hopefully it just sits in there. So we're gonna go up top and pull the assembly off and then see what we got. All right, so it is mounted down here at the bottom by 12 millimeters. One here and one on the other end. So there we are with that. I don't know if you can see the cooler lines. You got disconnect down there, one there, and the other one I blew the clamp from, but slightly bit easier if you can't really fit your hand in anywhere. What I did was I dropped these to this little assembly and then just separated it here and just pull it apart after you take the little rusty clamps. I don't know why this car's so rusty. And then you're gonna lose a little bit of fluid. All right, let's see if she comes up. Oh, that was a nightmare. I had left one bolt on the bottom, so it wasn't coming up. It's really tight. I don't know. I probably dropped the radiator in first and then bolt up the fans. I'm sure everybody probably drops it the other way. I don't know that I'm gonna try it or not. All right. Yeah, just gotta keep going. All right, so I transferred the two transmission little cooler lines that go to the assembly underneath. The fan bolts to the frame up here that's sitting down there, so you can't attach it to the radiator in here. So basically what we're gonna do is drop the radiator in and then put the fans on. So I actually took the bolt out of this little housing instead of the bolt that goes to the fit fan. So that's what I did. Also, these little square nuts, they come off the corners, all 4 corners. Kind of sad that the kit, this radiator, as much as it is, like $200 something, wouldn't give you new hardware to mount it. but it is what it is right now. All right, I got it sitting in there. Those nuts don't fit here, so I'm guessing they just want the top hold to hold it down, and the fan assembly, which is fine with me. But I'm gonna double check that it's supposed to not come with hardware. All right, he's all in, back together, running, new hose, full of antifreeze, jugs full, all the bolts and clips are back in. Broke one here, all the ones at the bottom, one's down here. So that's it. Took me like 3.5 hours. I just kind of winged it. I think if I would have prepped a little bit better, and now that I know what I have to do, it'll probably be done around 2. All right, or less. Like and subscribe.